Welcome to the channel. We have a special NFT project to talk about today. Before we start, I want to mention that I'm not a financial advisor, so please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing, and do not invest more than you're willing to lose. With that said, let's get right into the video. The project that we're going to be talking about today is called Bored Doge Club. Now, this is an amazing product. Anyone that has been in the crypto space understands what Doge holds and the amount of information and marketing this has done, and they're bringing out an NFT that is absolutely brilliant. We're going to look about their about us. We're going to go to their squad, their roadmaps, Dodger, and freaking ask questions. Now, guys, if you missed the Bored app Yacht Club, if you missed the meta avatars, if you missed all these amazing NFTs that have come out like beans, meta wolves, this is the NFT you got to invest in, because obviously we know Elon Musk is going to be behind this. We know what Doge is doing on the crypto market. We know that this is going to be something absolutely huge. And with the NFT backing it and an NFT present, we know for a fact that this is going to blow every other NFT out of the water. Let me scroll down and show you how amazing this website is. The website is called boreddogeclub.io. I'm going to put the link of it in the description below on my channel, The Educational Network. You can go over there and check it out. Now, guys, this is going to be available on the 22nd of February. It's going to start minting by the 23rd, and it's going to be available for the public. So, guys, if you want to become a Dodger, you got to get this NFT. Don't miss it out. There's only a couple of days left before it starts minting, and this is gonna be huge. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so you do not miss any of them. There are 10,000 NFTs available right now, and they're gonna go in seconds. Now, the most important thing that I mentioned over here is about them. Who are these guys? Some Doge have always wandered alone. Hustlers, gangsters, players moving through the metaverse without direction, going their own way. These Bored Doge has been waiting for a moment in history where that changes, where their inner desires to rebel against the system, to stick their middle finger up at the establishment order, will pull them towards a new destiny. Enter the Bored Doge Club. These Doge will come together in their first time and change the metaverse forever. They have their time. They think for themselves. They don't bow to any masters, and they never give up. The deck may be stacked against them. Their enemies may have outnumbered them, but the system might not want them to win, but they're just the way they like it. Their flawless design is to work a handcrafted art reflecting the Doge soul like never before, fully realized in 3D. These Doge play in the metaverse within that one-of-a-kind spirit you'll never find anywhere else. They're about to go to the moon and bring the metaverse to its knees. So are you ready to join them? And if you are, get this NFT. Then just look at this NFT for a second. You can see the amount of creativity that they have. You can see the amount of art that's gone into it, and they look absolutely stunning. And to see any and make sure that you understand who these guys are, you gotta know their team. 10,000 Bored Doge NFTs are being handcrafted to bring one-of-a-kind Bored Doge style to the metaverse. Together, world-class artists are working with the top-tier engineers, multi-million net worth entrepreneurs, and 200 IQ marketing professionals that they have one thing in common. They're bored and want to reshape the metaverse with the Doge power. You got the marketing, the CMO, Chief Marketing Officer, you got the Chief Operating Officer, and you got the Market Manager. These people understand what the market is about. They understand what strategy they need to have. They know what they got to do to make this NFT one of the biggest NFTs in the NFT space. And obviously, someone who has that kind of experience, someone who has that kind of background, someone who has those links that they need to make this thing big, they know what they got to do and where to take this. So guys, if you're thinking about getting one of these 10,000 NFTs, this is the NFT you should go for. This has got what it takes. And obviously, as you know, Doge is the way to the future. The roadmap, that is absolutely brilliant. The roadmap shows that the showtime is now. 10,000 Bored Doge is going to hit the metaverse, handcrafted by the world-class artists. Taking over begins. This is where the Discord community tops 100,000 members in less than 48 hours. Now, guys, the Discord is the place you're going to get reliable information. Do not go to random websites I am telling you in every single of my videos that Discord is the place to get reliable information. So join their Discord. And if you got any question whatsoever about them, where to buy them, how much they're going to be, you can always message me in the comment section below or drop me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is available in the About section of my channel, the Educational Network. Now, guys, the show really dodgers some love. This isn't all about them. Outside the metaverse, millions of dogs live hard life full of struggles and starvations. Well, not on their watch. The Bored Doge Club will be donating $50,000 to an abandoned dog charity to make sure these little guys are getting the love and support they need. So they're not only making money, they're not only giving you an NFT that's going to blow up, but they're taking some of that and actually spreading the love. And that's the reason why this is going to be absolutely huge. And beyond the metaverse, they want to reward members that have supported them from the beginning, and they want to make sure that the investments pay off. And obviously, they have a strategy with celebrity endorsements, advertisements, and the world's biggest cities. These are just the beginning. The Bored Doge are going to be different. They're laser focused on creating a matchless ecosystem of art, NFT, and crypto that draws creators, entrepreneurs, investors, and innovative minds that will drive the future. So don't miss it. And obviously, this is not the end. The part 2 is going to come. So guys, if you missed the train, this is the train that's coming right now, and you got to get on it because you got 2 days left before this hits the market. And once it hits the market, it's gonna go crazy. If you got any questions whatsoever, you can check their FAQs out. You can drop me a message on my WhatsApp or comment in the section below. I'll definitely get back to you. But before we end this, the 2 places I want to show you guys where you can get reliable information, proper information that you can trust is their Twitter. Now, once you go to their Twitter, you click on the link over here, it's going to open up the Twitter. The Twitter is the place where they engage and update information. They got 29,400 followers. We're going to increase that number by 1 right now. And a private collection of 10,000 unique 3D hand-drawn Bored Doge. Now, the raffle date is the 22nd of February. The mint date is the 23rd of February. And the mint price, the most important information, is 0.1 Ethereum. So guys, mark those dates down on your calendar because that is the date it is gonna get wild. Now, if I scroll down, look at the interaction these guys tend to have. Look at the creativity these gonna have. This is the president of the United States sitting right there, and he looks absolutely brilliant, and he's gonna blow the world apart, as you can see right now. If you scroll down, you see so much engagement on these amazing NFTs, so much engagement with potential people that will invest in this. So they know and have got a strategy to make this as big as they can. The second place where you gotta go is their Instagram. Now, their Instagram is a place where you will see the amazing amount of interaction also that they've got. They've got 51,100 followers, and increase that right now by 1. And as I scroll down, just look at that. That artistic approach is absolutely brilliant. The artistic side of things that they've brought out is great. You can see the people who are behind this know what they're doing. And obviously, you got to have a successful team if you got to make a successful NFT. And these guys have got a successful team. So any successful team makes us the next successful NFT. And the last bit is join their Discord. The link is on their website, boarddogeclubs.io. I'm putting the link in the description below. Click on the link. Join the Discord because that is where you get the reliable information from. So guys, if you got any question whatsoever, do let me know. If you like my video, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon and drop me a message if you need any other information about the BDC, the Bored Doge Club. Until my next video, take care. Allah Hafiz.